Hey, this is Josh at Apex Overland. We're going to do a review on the rough country seat covers. All right, so we just installed these seat covers in a 5th Gen 4Runner. We've done some previously on a Tacoma as well, and figured let's do a quick review. They are like a neoprene type material. Like, the quality is really nice on these, especially for how much these are. I think they float around the 200 mark, but quality is amazing. They are one piece. The top and the bottom are one piece, at least on the 4Runner here. So you don't have to worry about stuff slipping in the crack in between the seats. They fit extremely well. They actually make the seat a little more comfortable because they do have a little cushion in them. And like I said, install was super easy. I did unbolt the seats to lean the seats back so I could get the buckles and the bungee cords in better position and tight as I can get. And then if we move over to the back seats, the back seats here, they only make them for the 2-row 4Runners. They don't make them with the ones that have the 3rd row because the bench seat here is a little bit differently. But everything here fit amazing as well. Just really happy with the quality of these. They come with a little pouch still here. They made the inside of this 4Runner where the seats weren't in the best condition. They're not the worst condition seats I've ever seen, but they weren't the best. So threw some seat covers on it, and they like really transformed the interior of this 4Runner. All right, so I know a lot of people are concerned about safety and airbags. They even have a hole here that are compliant for the airbag. The side curtain airbag right here in your seat will still come out. So they even thought of that. All right, so I'll pop the seat up. You still have the function of your seats here. You can kind of see how they attach. It's buckles that you pull tight, and then you have little Velcro or bungee cords here just to hold it. But where the seats rub against each other, they even put like a ripstop material between the two seats. So you keep all the functionality of your seats. Like I said, they fit really well. The seats are really comfortable. You even have your cup holder cut out there with some ripstop material. And then all the headrests, they have covers for all the headrests here. This is a 2010, so I know the newer models have an adjustable headrest where you can adjust it. So the 11 and plus would actually make use of the side hole there, but that's not a huge deal. Let's move over to the front. And then even the driver's seat here, the seat covers they're not sliding around on you. The seat honestly feels better now because it gained some cushion back, but the seats don't, or the covers don't slide out when you get in and out. They're really nice. I'm really happy with how these came out. I guess good job, rough country. We don't have these on our website for sale, but we are rough country dealers here. Shoot us an email, sales@apexoverland.com. We can ship a set out for your truck if they make them.